Hi, this is Christina at Handle Ink. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridge on the Afinia label printer. So the first thing you're going to do is open this. Here you can see you have all your colors in there. It's calling for yellow, so this is kind of held in by this. You lift this up and you can see in there is your ink cartridge. You should just be able to pull out like that. Open our new one. Have the Y facing the way it should be, and you're just going to slide in there, and then this is what's going to click into place. That's it.